Day one of building the most jank sim rig known to mankind. Let's see how this goes. We got the base going here from spare floor wood. Let's keep that in mind. So, then we got this pristine Volkswagen chair. Loaded up, pressed up against the floor.
We on that.
It's pushing out. It's not pulling in. It's pushing out. Is it being done properly? No. Is it being done? Yes.
Perfecto, my friend.
This is really awkward on my back.
Patience. Come on.
We are like nowhere near center. Oh, hell nah.
Yeah, no, it's jank. That's what I was saying.
Yeah, I shouldn't have trusted Toby holding anything.
Trusted me.
You should have actually
Trusted me. Look at how uneven this crap is. Look at how uneven this is. It's there, but it's uneven. Doing some extra screw supports on the bottom. Get to work, slave.
You ain't even with me. What the fuck you saying, slave?
Look at what this turned into. I'm on the bed. He's chasing him with a drill. He's got a fucking belt going crazy. What has this turned into? We were supposed to build a sim rig, bro. We were supposed to build a sim rig.
He's a maniac.
Ah, shiza. Go back to sim rig building, boy. Now that those dilemmas are out of the way, to some degree. To some degree. I mean, just stuff. Now the dilemmas are really out the way. So, screw 2.
Don't, Curtis.
Tune in for day 2 of whatever the hell this is.